Hello everyone, we have a cool maths question here. If you know the answer, put it in the comments. Let's solve it together. 6 minus 1 plus 3 parentheses plus 12 divided by 2. The mistake people make in this kind of problem is that they begin from left to right. We have different operations here: parentheses, subtraction, addition, and division. To know the right one to begin with, instead of just starting from left to right, we need to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. It means we will solve the parentheses first, which is 1 plus 3. 6 minus 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 12 divided by 2. The next on the PEMDAS is exponent. Let's say 2 raised to power 3 or 2 raised to power 2. We don't have it here. The next is multiplication, and there's no multiplication here, followed by division. Don't forget that multiplication and division have the same order of priority, so we begin solving from left to right. We have division here, so we have 6 minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2 is 6. Next on the PEMDAS is addition, and the last one is subtraction. Addition and subtraction has the same order of priority. We begin solving from left to right. That is, we solve the one that came first from the left. In this case, the subtraction came first from the left, so we begin solving this left. We solve this subtraction before the addition. So 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.